Hello everyone, hope you all are good and fighting with the current COVID-19 pandemic situation. So today in this video I'm going to analyze Fit Valuable website and we'll also review is Fit Valuable website is a scam or legit. So watch the video till end guys and let's get started. So this is the homepage of Fit Valuable website. You can see the entire collection of this website, including the tops and bottoms, leggings, etc. Guys, you can also read the real and genuine reviews from real customers. These are the reviews that you can read before making any purchase. And guys, if you want to subscribe the newsletter service of this website, then you can simply enter your email address in the given box and you need to click the subscribe button. Let's take a look at the menu first. So in the menu option you will find some categories of women, men, kids, sale and fabric. The fabric is available organic cotton and recycled polyester. And in the women section you will find an extensive collection of tops and bottoms and new arrivals as well. And this is the category of men. So you will find a wide range of men footwears. Now let's take a look at the other options. So let's go to the contact us option. So yes, the customer service is available from Monday to Friday and the timings are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So guys, you can also see the email address. The email address is available on this website, the contact number as well. It is 989-992-0247. And the office address is also available on this website and the company is in United States. And after reviewing the website guys, you can also share your personal experience. You can comment in the given comment box section. Now let's take a look at the size chart. So this is the size chart. You can analyze and find the information related to this. Now let's move with shipping and handling. So all international orders will be processed and shipped out within 1 to 3 business days. So I think this is one of the most amazing things. And in case you want to know the status of your package, then you can email at the customer service department at support@fitvaluable.com. So you'll get the response very soon. And you can also get the answers to your questions related to any product delivery or shipping charges. So let's take a look at the return option. So this is the return policy. So the company accepts return and exchanges of unworn, unwashed merchandise with the original tags attached within 30 days of receipt. So remember this thing guys. If you want to refund any product, then make sure your package is unworn, unwashed and original with all tags. Now let's take a look at the privacy policy. It's up to you. If you want to read the privacy policy of this company, then you can read the entire information and get to know about the website information. Terms of service. So in terms of service, you'll get to know about usage restrictions, user comments, feedback, postcards and other submissions, pricing policy, coupons and discounts. Guys, remember, only one discount code can be applied to your cart unless noted in the promotion, because FitValuable reserves the right to change this policy at any time. So remember this thing. Then colors, correction of errors and inquiries, typographical errors, notice, use of site, third party links, etc. So as you can see at the bottom, the email address and office address is available. I think payment information is missing here. The payment option is not in this given section. So I think I have done with the website review. The quality is top notch, guys, believe me. This is the one stop destination for all workout professionals and for those who want to wear workout wears, because the fabric is so soft and the prices are also affordable. So it's up to you, it's your choice. You can make any purchase anytime. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the videos, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.